Well, good day. I've been asked about this and I thought I'd make a series of instructional videos cutting straight to the chase of how to, in this case, episode 1, insert tags, or rather find tags in videos that you're after for Creator Studio. So number one step, otherwise this will make it impossible. And I will move the mouse a bit slower than normal. You have to sign into your account. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we're going to put a, let's just use a very, very common one. Funny cat videos, and you'll see, because it's so popular, it's already up there. Let's click that one. What we want to do is find what the hot current tags, and bear in mind current are. Go across to filters here. Remember, be signed in first. If you want to see the count, you see down here, view count. Click that. And you'll start seeing up the top here, this one has 147 million odd views, 131 million. So let's keep it simple. Let's click that one first. Now bearing in mind, let's pause that or else you get distracted. Bearing in mind you have to be signed in. Go over here to the right, scroll down a bit if you need to, and you'll see show search rankings. Click that. This one only has 4, but it will give you an example. So you see now you've got a couple of current tags there. It always helps to check the date too. What you want is the latest one, because a lot of the time these tags will be out of date. Now, how to get this into your Creator Studio, go over to copy to. Select the ones you want, in this case we'll just go all. Now copy to clipboard. They're now up there ready to paste into whatever you want. Let's minimize that out of the way. I generally use Notepad, so right click and paste. And there's the tags there. What you can do then is decide which ones you want and copy and paste them, or you can go the other way around. I'll just speed things up a bit here. Let me give you another example. Alright, we'll say this one. This is just a little one I made quickly the other day. Okay, so you want to add them. So click in there. You can come straight from the clipboard. Paste, and there's your tags. And then you can do your normal sort. Auto sort if you're using TubeBuddy, etc. And go ahead and save. But now for the demonstration of this, that's what we want to do, is just show you how to get the tags. So once again, funny cat videos, ideally, given it's 2017 currently. Press enter. Filters, we're back to the start here. Okay, so let's view count where we were. Okay, so this one's got 147 million. Now say you want to compare a couple. Well, let me show you something else first. You don't have to just go by filter. You can also go by rating, which my understanding is how many people have bothered to click like. Well, you see there's a vast difference here. Okay, you can sort those out. There's another one, depending on the topic, it might be, this week specifically. So let's look at what the funny ones are this week. You can see not that many this week. And this will vary hugely depending on the topic. So, or if it's a more broader one, you might want to click this year. What's the biggest ones this year? So it depends a lot. So I generally close these. Generally I will go by view count to get an idea. So now if I'm doing really want to get a fair balance, I'll open a few. So I'll right click, open link in new tab. I'm using Chrome for this, but the same should work in most browsers. I might open that one, so right click, open link in new tab. And then let's say we're going to go to the third one. I'll just click that. Okay, so there you've got 3. Same again. This one here, well, it's got 60 million, that's not bad. Go down, it's a better example because you've got more tags. So let's check the search rankings for this. Click on that, and you'll see the current keyword rating for that. Well, in this case, we've only got 2, cats and kittens. So you can either type them in, given there's only 2, or if there are a few, again, you go copy to. Well, you don't want all these in this case, so clear them, and we'll just tick the ones we know are good. Cats. That was what it wasn't. Copy to clipboard. Go back into whatever you're using. As I said, paste those. Work out which ones you want, and then paste them into your current YouTube project. So the same applies. Let's look at this one here, back to the cat one. Oh, there's the one we had before, won't worry about him. Here's a new one. Again, pause him or else you'll end up watching this. So over to the right, again, make sure you're logged in. Show search rankings. And now we've got 3. So especially once you've got more than 2 words, you just want to go over to copy to, either none or all. Pick the ones that were up there, that and that. Copy to clipboard, and Bob's your uncle, and you're back to square one.